Hey you guys, what is up? Hope you're having a great day and a great week so far. And it's your girl Mush Mush. So it's just another day at home alone. So I was bored. And so I just want to play with some makeup and hopefully I don't mess up. And if you're watching this, maybe I don't. So carry on watching and let's make this eye look complete in my eyes. My eyes aren't they're really tiny, aren't they? It's okay, never mind. Let's just take this look and yeah. So I just tied my hair up in a bun and got my bangs with some. Let's get on to the makeup tutorial right now. I have really big news and I just want to share with you guys. And this is the Morphe X James Charles palette. I finally got it after like so many years. It's so hard to get, let me tell you. Like, they don't even ship it to London. They're trying to order from Morphe, but finally I got a page named Wabesta and got this bad boy from there. Let's open it. It's so freaking pretty. And wow, it's so freaking pretty. Look at this, all the names I've been listening to all my life. Literally, literally. Oh gee, I got this palette, I don't know. Even though it was a little pricey of 5K, but it's okay, it's all worth it. OMG, it's so freaking pretty. Okay, I'm too excited for this thing right now, but let's get into the makeup, shall we? Put on some base and get into the eye makeup because this is like, eye makeup is the main thing in makeup because the base is always the same. So I'm just getting a sunscreen from Blackmaid. The sunscreen actually protects your skin texture, but you're not going out in the sun. It's some like, I don't know, it's just good. It's just good for your skin to like. If you don't know that, play it. It's so fun. Feel much compared to yours, but yeah. So we're just gonna get nice people back from this and have it on your face. Don't wait. It's like, why is this so big? And point, I cannot see anything. I'm just going on with my hands just to mix that all up. Now that we prime our face, we're gonna go ahead and get the foundation. Okay, so I'm using the Wet n Wild foundation in shade. You know, you should buy your shade. You know, it's really cute.
Pat.
So I got the Pro Concealer by definition. Except blended out my concealer and my eye bags are a little bit gone now, but it's really oily right here, so let's pat the face and set it with some loose powder. So I'm taking this powder from Wet n Wild again. I don't know why I use base products from Wet n Wild. Maybe they're just nice. Just get it right around and pat it on my face. Matte made brown bronzer to just bronze my face. Technique makeup blush from and we're gonna go for this cute shade right here. It's kind of like pinkish plus reddish and I'm going for a sun-kissed vibe. Can you start with blush it down? I don't know. Just getting some of my nose. I just like the nose blushes a lot, that's why. It kind of looks cute, to be honest. We're gonna go with some lash curler and curl out our lashes. The base is all complete and we're gonna go for the eye look now. As you can of course see by the title, I'm using the James Charles palette and all the pink colors. I'm just really obsessed with how all the colors they like have, like all of that. So let's go ahead and get into the eye makeup right now. So I've taken the eyeshadow palette and we're gonna go with a little small pencil brush right now as this makeup logo. Go with some B in the inner corner as the bright yellow. Oh, D! Okay, so let's start and go with some B. So we've got the yellow in place now. Let's go for some 518 as the bright orange. We're just gonna go for some bright orange. That's maybe red in there. We got some brush together for the bright red. So now I'm gonna grab a fluffy brush and go for some skip. This really bright pink right here. Colors, let me see. So this eye's kind of done, so I'm gonna move into this eye right now. Yeah, it looks bad. I'm gonna fix it. Wait. So for this eye, I'm grabbing some playground on a real sharp pencil brush. This thing is highly pigmented, but I forgot to conceal my eyes. So yeah. So let's go to the blue right here, but then again with the fluffy clean brush, I'm gonna grab some red from the palette, the cute one, and then bluff the playground with the builder. On the other hand, we're gonna go for some coal in the palette, that's blue, and then we're gonna bluff the brother and the playground with some coal. And to bluff all the things we've done so far, we're gonna go ahead with some escape at the dark purple and blush all things out with the purple used, and then grab it right there and go straight to the inner corner. And for the real inner corner, we're gonna go with some brother. The both eyes are now done, as you can see. I know, it looks horrible, but we're gonna fix it in a minute. So let's go ahead and get that eyeliner done, and it's gonna look, hopefully gonna look good. Grabbing the Huda Beauty eyeliner for this thing, and we're gonna go ahead and outline all of this. I can't do it. This is so far the best makeup I've done, and this liner, can I get a wow? Damn. Let's go with some glitter in the inner corner. Go with the sharp brush and take some Hello from the palette for this eye inner corner. I'm just gonna put it right here. Cute. And then I'm gonna mix a little bit of So Good in a ring light for this inner corner. Okay, so both of the inner corners are now done, and it's looking really pretty again. It's like so freaking pretty. I didn't know like I could be this pretty though. It's so pretty. So let's put some liner and lashes on, and we're good to go. So I'm taking these GO215 lashes, not so big but not so short. Place. So I got one lash here, and it doesn't cover up my eye look, but also gives it a little bit of highlight. And I'm just gonna put on this lash on this eyelid, and we're gonna go with some under eye mascara, and we're gonna be okay with it. Okay, so both lashes are done, and it looks so freaking cute. And I'm gonna show you the finished look in a minute. Right now it's so freaking beautiful. I did not imagine it would be this beautiful. But OMG, thanks to the James Charles Morphe palette, these colors are so freaking awesome. Now let's get some lipstick. And now we're going to the red lipstick or from the mouth makeup. Show me do something good. And that's what it is. It's really red. Let's put some red lipstick and look at this finished look, guys. It just looks so freaking cute. I cannot wait to do more and more with this palette. I love this. I just love this look. Even though this one looks a little bit better because these colors are a little bit more brighter, but this one has a little bit of the bolder look. Comment below which one do you like the more, this one or this one, but I personally like both. And I hope you guys keep supporting, and thanks for watching the video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to be nice to each other, and yeah.